Typing and basic editing. Let's start with the basics. Open Microsoft Word and click where you want to start typing. It's that simple. Use the keyboard to enter the text. To edit, click and drag to select the text. Then hit backspace or delete to remove it. You can double click on any area to start typing a new text. You can also format your document by changing the font style. This you do by selecting your text, going to the font style options, and selecting the font that you like. You can also change the size of your text by selecting on the text, going to the font size option, and choosing the size you want. You can even decide to change the color of your text by selecting on the text, going to the color option, and choosing the color that you want your text to be. Microsoft Word's straightforward edited pictures make it easy to edit your text.